All right, let's take a look at some chart action for Bitcoin. Before we do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, so Bitcoin's been trading in this area right here for a while now. And so what I'm kind of looking at, pretty much what everyone's looking at, is this triangle pattern right here. What I'm really curious about is if this trend line right here is going to keep holding support. We got support right here, here, and here and here, but it looks like we're coming in and testing it again. There's a couple things that are kind of worrying me, but at the same time, so I'm looking right here on the daily time frame. All right, so we're looking at this moving average right here, and it's going like this. Right now the price is under it. We just broke beneath it, but it's been like going, it seems like we're getting into like this pattern where we're going in and out of it, and we're just getting closer and closer, waiting to decide. Maybe this is going to be the big thing, is like this daily moving average. Can we stay above it, or are we going to stay below it? If this daily moving average keeps us below and we break down right here, I feel like we're going to get a nice big dump to the downside. Maybe I got some buy levels in, maybe like right here, right here, right here, and right here, these purple boxes. And I'm getting that from like this support right here, support here. We got some support all in here. We got these wicks right here. So let's see if that comes into play. I'm not 100% sure if it's going to break to the downside. I am very bullish on Bitcoin, but it would be probably healthy for us to get a correction and maybe kind of trade something like that. I mean, the more volatile, the better, kind of, in my opinion. I would probably look right here though. Maybe something like this, or down here for what I would think would be the bottom though, for me anyways. It's possible that we can also come down here, I guess, but I am not 100% sure. I think this is more like the 30% dip that if it got a 30% drop, that's 46%. Right here is 25. All right, so in the short term though, I actually kind of put in an order, and I'm going to still kind of ride it out and see what happens. We had this downtrend going like this. We got support right here and we started moving up. We broke this trend line right here that was giving us resistance all in here. And so I put in an order right here. We came up and got rejected on this 180 moving average, and we're on the 1 hour time frame right now. So what I'm curious is, I'm wondering if we're going to just get a bounce and continue to head up. My target is around 59.3k or somewhere around there. Somewhere around this trend line, basically. More of a trend line than a actual price target. From my order to the trend line is about 3%. So I'm going to kind of see if I can get something like that, and we'll see what happens. Like I said, I have buy orders right here, and I think right here, something like that. Let's go into the Bitcoin dominance real quick, and I just wanted to show you guys something. So let's go into the daily time frame. All right, so you can see that we have this triangle pattern going like this, and we actually broke it right here. So I was kind of getting this triangle target. I just drew from the center of it, maybe something like right here to right here, just to be conservative possibly, and bring that to the breakout. So I drew some more support levels right here, and right here, and that's from this support, and this support. And that triangle target lines up pretty good with the bottom support level. So I'm not 100% sure if Bitcoin's going to move down or the altcoins are just going to move up, and this chart might do something like that, but I'm not 100% sure. We might get a bounce right here, or maybe a bounce right here. These purple levels are basically when I think Bitcoin might start moving up again, or times when I would be probably confident in a buy signal for Bitcoin. For now, let's keep our eye on this big triangle pattern, because once it breaks to the upside or to the downside, we're going to see a big move, and it's going to be a pretty good trade. I would say maybe something like, you could probably do honestly the back of this triangle. I would say something like this. If you bring that to this side, that kind of starts lining up with this trend line over here, and if we bring it to the downside, it starts to line up with this bottom support level. So I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, I don't really care either way. All right, keep your eye out for more crypto videos. And if you like that video, hit that thumbs up button.